Hi, boys and girls. This week in writing, we're going to be looking at verbs. There's several different types of verbs, even verb tenses. And if you don't remember them from second grade, it's okay. We're going to cover them this week and probably the following week. So let's go over just what's going to happen this week. Monday and Tuesday, we're just looking at plain verbs, identifying what a verb is. On Wednesday, we'll talk about, and you'll see a video about action verbs. Thursday, it's verb tenses, things that happen in the present or in the past, and how that affects the sentence and the nouns in the sentence. And then Friday, helping verbs. Sometimes there's little words that we need to help us just before the verb to get the meaning of the sentence across. Okay, so as you look through the lessons this week, Monday you're going to see this, and obviously you're watching verbs this week, so I'm giving you kind of a heads up. You're going to have a worksheet. We'll come back to this in just a minute about identifying the verbs. Okay. On Wednesday, you'll watch a real short video that I have on just verbs and sorting verbs from regular nouns. Okay. And on Wednesday, you'll see a video on action verbs, and then you'll be asked to pick the correct action verb that makes the sentence complete and gives the sentence correct meaning. And so that is on Wednesday. And then Thursday, we're going to talk about present tense and past tense verbs. It sounds harder than it is, but it's really not. Something that you did yesterday, Sam played with the blocks. Today, children play with a block, and tomorrow, she will play with her doll or the blocks. So usually this ends in an ED. This doesn't change the form of the word, and this adds the word will. Okay, that's as easy as these are. Past tense, present tense, and future tense. Okay, and there'll be a short video on it. And then on Friday, helping verbs. There are little words like is, are, am that help us and help a bigger word, another verb in the sentence. So they give the sentence more meaning. And that's a real short lesson and a nice video on Friday. All right, so let's go back. What's a verb? Well, we've learned things already about nouns and plural nouns, possessive nouns, singular nouns, all kinds of things. So let's go through these sentences a little bit. Identify the nouns. Mrs. Martin walked to the office. So we know if we look at a person, place, or thing, Mrs. Martin, person, and a place, the office. So what I did, what action I physically did was walked. So that is my verb in this sentence. It's showing what I did or what I'm doing. Okay, so in this, because it's adding an ED at the end, it tells you I already did this. It's in the past tense. Now, this one, Tyler plays the guitar. So he could be playing it right now in the classroom. It doesn't matter. Tyler, person, place, or thing. Guitar, person, place, or thing. So what's Tyler doing? Plays. Okay, verb. Sue is working on her math assignment. So Sue is my subject and my noun, and what she's working on is a thing, her math assignment. So is working, that is actually a helping verb with a verb with it. That sounds funny, doesn't it? But the is a helping verb with the word working. Okay, I am hoping for nice weather today. So I'm the subject of the sentence, and the noun. Weather is my other noun in the sentence. That's my topic I'm also talking about. So am is a helping verb for the other verb, hoping. Okay, so both things. And then this one I threw in for present and past tense. So this sentence says, please sit at your desk. So this sit refers to like do it right now in the present. So that is a present tense verb. And in the last sentence, the students sat together at lunch. It already happened. They sat together. So that one is a past tense verb. Okay, so that's just a little bit of work with verbs. So let's go to Monday's lesson and see what they're asking us to do. Okay, circle the verb in each sentence. The baby waved goodbye to his mother. So it's giving you a pink circle, and it asks you to move that pink circle over the verb. And yeah, waved is where it needs to go, right? Because that's showing the action in the sentence. And it gives you a hint underneath it. The verb is a word that shows action. All right, boys and girls, that's all for now.